In this video, you'll learn how to check your Phantom Wallet recovery phrase. By following these steps, you will be able to access an important security feature of your wallet, which is essential for account recovery in case of device loss or issues. Begin by opening the Phantom Wallet application on your device. Ensure that you are logged in to your wallet to access all features. If you encounter any issues, verify your internet connection to ensure a smooth experience. Next, locate the settings icon, which is positioned at the bottom right corner of the screen. Clicking this icon will take you to the settings menu where you can adjust various wallet options. After that, within the settings menu, find and click on the option labeled Security and Privacy. This section contains all the security settings related to your wallet, including your recovery phrase. Once you are in the Security and Privacy section, look for the option that says Show Recovery Phrase. This option will be clearly visible, and selecting it will prompt you for additional security verification. At this point, you will need to enter your wallet password to proceed. This step is crucial as it protects your recovery phrase from unauthorized access. After entering your password, confirm the action to continue. Your secret recovery phrase will now be displayed on the screen. Take a moment to review it carefully. It is vital to keep this phrase secure and private as it grants access to your wallet and funds. Consider writing it down in a safe place or using a secure password manager for storage. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.